the Mugu one. Okay, the Mugu one. Go body lights out. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, together with me, I have Maidawa in the building tonight, ladies and gentlemen. Ladies and gentlemen, I have Maidawa with me in the building tonight, and this is Facebook Hangout football match, ladies and gentlemen. And we're about to shut down on the 29th of this month, ladies and gentlemen. You people will not want to miss it, ladies and gentlemen. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, together with me, I have our guest artist in Facebook Hangout event, ladies and gentlemen, on the 29th. Ladies and gentlemen, I have Maidawa. Close, got it. Alright, ladies and gentlemen. Alright, Maidawa, what do you have to say about this particular event that's coming up on the 29th?
I got nothing much to say. If I am to tell people what I'm about to say, we are going to spend the whole day explaining, you know. So, go ahead.
Go ahead, ladies and gentlemen. Go ahead,
it's going to be the baddest.
The baddest of the baddest, ladies and gentlemen.
Definitely.
100. Ladies and gentlemen, shut down, ladies and gentlemen. I have Maidawa, ladies and gentlemen. Our guest artist in Facebook Hangout coming up, ladies and gentlemen.
Go ahead, what I said. Go ahead.
Go Mungani, Mungani, okay, ladies and gentlemen.
Made for you to promote your health. I got doings, mind blowing, sugar honey, spend money, more money. You need to make a step right now. Never look back now. Just the moving ahead right now. You need to build yourself right now. Mentally, physically now. Emotionally, spiritually. Snacks is abolition. Taking it, sipping it, feeling it for your health. Snacks is abolition.